Brian Osmus? Oh, where did it go? Oh, and we landed it! That was the greatest jump in the world. Let's do it again. Come on. Let's do it again. Oh, dude! Dude, let's do it better. I'm gonna jump it myself. So let me drive it. Hold on. Alright, somebody put it in position because my hands are full. Right here. I'm gonna jump it myself. Put it right in front of him. Oh wow. Oh! That was the greatest jump in the world. Here you go. That was Brian Osmus jumper. See you next time.